The world-renowned BMW Art Car collection has a new member. The 20th edition, designed by acclaimed artist Julie Mehretu, was unveiled yesterday at the Centre Pompidou in Paris. This unique project transforms a high-performance race car, the BMW M Hybrid V8, into a stunning work of art, continuing a tradition that merges the worlds of competitive racing and artistic expression. Mehretu's design for the BMW M Hybrid V8 is a first for her, a two-dimensional creation brought to life on a three-dimensional canvas. Inspired by her monumental painting, Everywhen, the car's design features grids, vibrant neon colors, and the black markings characteristic of her work. This abstract visual language is achieved through a complex process that uses digitally altered photographs layered with dot grids, neon veils, and Mehretu's signature black marks. The meticulously designed car isn't just for show. It's set to compete in the upcoming 24 Hours of Le Mans, one of the most prestigious endurance races in the world. With a hybrid electric drivetrain boasting approximately 640 horsepower, the BMW M Hybrid V8 is a formidable competitor. The car will be driven by a team of experienced racers, Sheldon van der Linde, Robin Frins, and René Rast, who will vie for victory while piloting a rolling work of art. The unveiling of the 20th BMW Art Car is not just about the present. It's also a celebration of the series' rich history. Leading up to the Le Mans race, the car will be showcased at the Concorso di Eleganza at Villa d'Este in Lake Como, Italy. There, it will join other legendary BMW art cars, including those designed by Alexander Calder, Frank Stella, Roy Lichtenstein, and Andy Warhol, all of which also made their racing debuts at Le Mans. This gathering serves as a testament to the enduring legacy of the BMW Art Car collection. The collaboration between BMW and Julie Mehretu extends beyond the creation of the art car. The project is designed to inspire a new generation of artists. Following the 24 Hours of Le Mans, the partnership will culminate in the PanAfrican Translocal Media Workshops. This initiative aims to empower emerging artists across the African continent. Workshops will be held in cities like Dakar, Marrakesh, Kigali, Lagos, and Cape Town, providing a platform for artists and filmmakers to collaborate and exchange ideas. The goal is to foster a space for artistic expression that addresses the social and cultural landscape of Africa. The results of these workshops will be presented alongside the 20th BMW Art Car at the Zeitz Museum of Contemporary Art Africa in Cape Town in 2026. This impactful program reflects BMW's long-standing commitment to supporting the arts, which includes initiatives like the short film series, The Hire, and partnerships with prestigious institutions like the Cannes International Film Festival. Julie Mehretu, the artist behind the 20th BMW Art Car, is a celebrated figure in the contemporary art world. Born in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, she has established herself as a leading voice in abstract painting. Her work explores themes of social behavior, space, and history, often drawing inspiration from diverse sources. Mehretu's selection for the BMW Art Car project reflects her international acclaim and her ability to push the boundaries of artistic expression. The unveiling of the 20th BMW Art Car by Julie Mehretu marks a significant moment in the history of the series. It's a stunning fusion of artistic vision and automotive engineering, destined to make a lasting impression on both the art world and the racetrack. With its focus on artistic legacy and the empowerment of future generations, this project extends far beyond the realm of competitive racing, leaving a positive impact on the cultural landscape.